This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski. Welcome to your new home in gated NonaCrest situated in sought-after Lake Nona / Medical City of Orlando. Seller is in the process of installing a new roof in June. This 5-bedroom 3 full bath and 2-car garage home offers an ideal layout with an abundance of natural light. Offering formal living and dining spaces, an open and brand new granite counters in the kitchen and is open to family room ideal for gathering and entertaining. Kitchen is white 42 cabinets, granite counters, a large deep sink, newer and still warranted stainless steel appliances. A center island which is ideal for gathering and entertaining is open to the family room. 2 bedrooms and a full bath are downstairs which is ideal for guest or extra office space. Upstairs you have a spacious owner retreat with large ensuite offering walk-in shower, garden tub and dual closets and separate vanities. The secondary rooms are generous in size. There is a loft / bonus space which is ideal for an extra work or study space, yoga or meditation spot, cubie space for books / play or you name it. Backyard is lush and if you want to add a pool, there is room. You are a short walk to the community pool, basketball and playground area. Minutes to Nemours Childrens Hospital, the VA Hospital, UCF Medical School, the 417 and 528. Less than 15 minutes to Orlando International Airport and 30 minutes to the beaches. Enjoy great restaurants and convenient shopping nearby. Great schools and community are why so many people call Lake Nona home. Schedule your viewing today. For more information, review the details below.